Alright, there's all the capacitors. You're going to have to pause it if you want this list. This is for a Vizio 371 VA. It's a 37 inch. It's for the power supply board, and there's two electrolytics. You can see those yellow ones through the round dots. All those are on that list. I'm told from people that do this a lot more than I have that these other boards don't really need caps. Now there is a hint here that I'm also familiar with, and that is, let's see, if you look, see it says in black, it says IR pass, but under it says ROHS in white, removal of harmful substances. That's when they started going backwards to lead-free solder. See that under the red there, ROHS? So I can tell you that all over the world they were having problems. So this, I don't know how old this TV is. I think it's like 8 years old, 9 years old. I wish I could tell you for sure. I do not know the answer. Anyway, so I'm going to go order those parts. There's no kits available. And I'm just going to have to order them individually, apparently. I think there's like 15 or 16 caps. So anyway, that's it for now. When I get the caps in, we'll pick up from there. See you, bye.